Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use a coupon on Airbnb. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Airbnb app and look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your personal account area where you can manage all your settings and preferences. Once you're in your profile section, look for the option that says Account Settings and tap on it. This is where Airbnb keeps all the important configuration options for your account, including payment methods, notifications, and various other features that control how your account operates. In the Account Settings menu, you'll need to find the Payments option. Tap on it to access your payment information. This section is crucial because it houses everything related to how you pay for bookings, including saved payment methods, billing details, and importantly, any discounts or promotional codes you want to apply to your account. Now, within the payments section, you'll see an option labeled Credits and Coupons. Go ahead and tap on that. This specific area is designed to help you manage any promotional credits you've earned or received, as well as apply new coupon codes that can save you money on your next booking. It's where all your discount opportunities live within the app. Next, you'll notice a button that says Add Coupon. Tap on it to proceed. This action will open up a text field where you can enter your promotional code. Airbnb offers various coupons through different channels, whether from promotional emails, referral programs, or special partnerships, and this is where you activate them. Now it's time to input your actual coupon code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears, paying attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters. Coupon codes are case sensitive, so accuracy matters here to ensure the discount applies correctly. After you've entered your coupon code, tap the Apply button. This will activate the coupon and link it to your account. You might see a brief loading indicator while Airbnb verifies the code and processes it. Give it a moment to confirm that the coupon has been successfully added to your account. And that's it. Your coupon is now active and ready to use on your next Airbnb booking. The discount will automatically apply when you make a qualifying reservation, helping you save money on your accommodation. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.